Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with my selection from the Chanel 21P collection. I am so excited about this. As soon as I saw this bag, I was like, I need that bag. I'm so excited that I could get it. I texted my SA right away. He put me on the reserve list. We went today, checked out a few things, but new. I needed this, like new in my head. Well, it is new also. Experience at the boutique, rough. Okay, so, well, no. My essay, amazing service, right? Incredible. So helpful. The nicest guy, everything. But the selection is just so bad at my local boutique. There's so much demand. You basically can only buy things on reserve. There's a bag that I saw recently. It's like the little nylon SLG, and I was like, any chance of that? And of course, no, they're all reserved, but he's gonna try and order it for me in a few weeks. But it's like really like the earring tray, 3 pairs of earrings, and they're all like not the business. Like the SLG tray, it's all from Cruise 2018. Okay, not great. There were several 19s in from the new collection, some boy bags, a couple classics, but not really a ton. Anyway, it's rough out there. It's rough out there for a Chanel shopper. For one, it's impossible to get. For two, it's very expensive. But here we are. Let's just get to it. Let's just get to it, and then we can all goggle the bag together. Okay. It's late. It's late on a Friday. And I think I might try and post this right away because I'm going to skip ahead in my queue. Sometimes I like to film ahead because I don't like to feel the pressure. But I'm going to skip ahead in my queue just so everyone can enjoy this. It's like of the moment, right? Okay. They're like, please, please, please. Okay. What side am I on? Which way is up? Ooh, tissue. Okay. Okay, I need to put it down. This is like difficult. Okay. Sticker. Here we go. And then inside you have the little, does anyone cover this anymore? Are we over these? Are we just like letting them die in the boxes? Okay. To reveal. Is that like a thing we all started saying too? Okay. I'm thrilled. Also, this video is sponsored by the zit on my chin. Holy cow, what is going on? Okay. Sorry. Manic. Chanel 19 small rainbow bag. Frickin' adorable. This is my first Chanel 19, and this is actually goat skin. Let me pull this out so you can get the full effect. And the thing about these bags is that my sales associate was telling me is that with these painted ones, each of the layout of the colors will be different. And so some will have more pink, some will have less pink, some will have more yellow. And so this one, I actually really like the color combination because there's like some strong pink areas, but it's not like a pink bag, of which we know I have many. And so it's just like, and on camera, it's not doing it justice because it really, like in real life, it is stunning, stunning, stunning. I wonder if I changed my light. Ooh, sorry, too close to the camera. Let's do some light effects change. Ooh, so blue. Maybe that's, so I think we were here, and so things are very yellow. Okay, very blue. This like medium light too. Okay, ring light alert. All right. Stunning. And so this is a goat skin. So it's a little bit harder wearing than your typical lamb. And there's the back magnetic pocket. Whoops. Oh, and here's the card. Here we can share. Mix Finiton. That's the name of the color, I guess. 22p. And this bag was a little bit more than the other Chanel 19s, which are at $5,800. This one was $63. Oh yeah, so I was gonna go over in the back, there's yellow at the bottom of the pocket. So maybe technically, since the lining is yellow, we could call this a yellow bag. It's a rainbow bag, but it has the gold hardware here and on there. The strap is still wrapped. Like literally just brought her home. I wonder if I'll need scissors for this because of the tape. Like she was a freshie out of the box, the white box thing. You don't always see that, or at least I don't always see that. Okay, I'm gonna need to get scissors here because this is a whole ordeal. But you can see the mixed hardware, the gunmetal, and then the antique gold. It has white throughout. Not like a stark white, kind of like a creamy white. Let me see if I can get this one off. Oh my gosh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Little shoulder strap action. In love with this bag. I like that it's squishy. I like that it's casual. This is my first Chanel 19, and I just feel like this is such a special sort of color. Okay, she's made in Italy. There's the zip pocket at the back, the yellow interior, and then on the front here, the little microchip. And then otherwise, just like a pretty golden color inside. Kind of gives me like 70s flower child sort of vibes. And so this is the bag, surrounded by tissue. And just like immediately, this bag sparked joy. So I also tried on the purple iridescent, which was very, very cute. Oh, my sweatshirt's a little rumpled. But it was too similar, I felt, to, I'm reaching for my Chanel boy. The purple was like too similar to this. There was also an iridescent beige, which was really cute and like kind of a fun twist on a beige. But this one just spoke to me. It's like unique, it's special, she's fun, she's flirty, she's like very cute. So this is what I picked up from 22P. I also, like I said, I'm interested in the nylon SLG sort of top handle situation. That was very cute. I might try and order it. The baby blue is really pretty in this collection, and we kind of have that a little bit here and here. But yeah, super fun, super excited, and ready to go for summer. This will go so good with all my Love Shack fancy pieces, and it's just such a happy rainbow bag. Anyway, that's what I grabbed. I'm gonna post this right away so you'll have it, even though it's kind of like a quick and dirty, sloppy video. Please let me know any questions you have down below. Leave a comment if you want to talk. What am I saying? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these kinds of things, and I'll continue sharing my hauls. And otherwise, I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you later. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.